Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for August 2020. So they mixed it up this month. They're doing things differently. They have a bag like this instead of the other bags that they do, or they have been doing, which I do appreciate. I actually really like this little bag. It's very, very cute. I like the shade. I like the drawstrings. I like this little bag. It's cute. Also, instead of putting it in a box this month, which they have typically done, they put it in a larger size mailer bag, which is nice as well because it's, number one, it's less space. It's, I don't know. I think it's nice. So let's go ahead and get into the products in my bag. They do have a card in here, but it honestly tells you nothing really much at all, and that's okay. I personally would prefer if they just don't even bother. But they did change it up a little bit more even, and I just remembered it looking at the card, so that's something to remember, that now on your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you can choose 3 of the items in the box, and they will pick 2 of them. Ipsy picks 2 of them, and then you can pick 3 of them. But I do have my phone here. I am going to be referring to my phone for the items that are in the bag, and I will be reading to you what it says on the card, the digital card. Let's start with the bag. So it says about the bag: the future is bright, shiny, and new. Look inside this month's bag to see what kind of beauty tomorrow holds for you. So I'm just going to reach in and pull something out. I've already looked at the items on here, so I already know what I have. Plus I picked 3 of the 5 items anyway, but we're going to go ahead and pull the first item out, which is right here, which is not one of the ones I picked. So this is from Murad. This is the Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So let's go ahead and pull it out. That is what it looks like. It is a squeezy tube. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pull it up on my phone and I'm going to read it to you what it says on the description. All right. So the Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30 PA+++. I don't know what that means, but that's fine. Why you'll love it. There's one skincare step you can't skip, no matter the weather or time of year, and that's sunscreen. Luckily, this SPF moisturizer makes it easy to use every day. The lightweight texture is hydrating but not heavy, making it the perfect protective moisturizer for all skin types. Broad Spectrum SPF 30, the daily recommended value from dermatologists, protects skin from damaging UVA and UVB rays to prevent early skin aging and skin cancer. Powerful antioxidants from grape and pomegranate seed extracts help to shield your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution. This is a full size and the MSRP is $58. So all right, let's go ahead and go into the next item. I don't wear SPF every day. I should, but I don't. I hardly ever leave my house, so it's okay. All right, I'm gonna go in here and pull the next thing out. Okay, this I did select. So this is from Thrive Cosmetics, and honestly, I selected it because I have it now. I like it. It's been open for a while, and I figured, hey, I like the mascara. Why not get another one while I can? So I did. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and it's in Bryn, which is extra black. I think that's what it says. Rich black, not extra black. But I like this mascara. It's one of those tubing mascaras, so you put it on and then it just takes like water to take it off, or like if you use a makeup wipe, it literally just comes right off with a makeup wipe. Not smeary or anything. It comes off in like little pieces. I personally like that. You might hate it, but I like it. So this is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn, which is rich black. Why you'll love it. Here it is, Ipsy's Holy Grail Mascara. This curling and lengthening mascara formula does exactly what it says. A single swipe made our skimpy lashes look like extensions. An innovative comb-shaped wand adds definition by separating lashes to help prevent clumping. The formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex, a formula that helps stimulate lash growth and soft fibers to give your lashes dramatic length and lift. MSRP on that is $24. So I'm really happy about that. I picked it out. I'm happy about it. Let's see what's next. What is this? What is this? Oh, I picked this out too because I was like, hey, you know, why not? Let's try it. This is a lip oil from Beauty Project, INN Beauty Project, and it's the Glaze #1 lip oil in Candy Apple. I like apple. I have not eaten one in a couple of years because I am type 2 diabetic and I am diet controlled. So I very, very rarely will eat fruit. I love fruit, but I very rarely will eat fruit. So let's see if it smells. Ooh. It smells like apple, but it smells like that fake type of apple. Do you know what I mean? It's not bad. That's what it looks like on my hand. So it does have a little bit of a shade to it. So that's nice. I think I'm probably going to like that actually quite a lot. So let's go ahead and read what the website says, or what the digital card says. Why you'll love it. Not only does this lip oil smell juicy, it'll make your lips look plump and juicy too. No chemicals here. This naturally colored and flavored oil has a bright red tint and yummy candy apple scent that's straight up delicious. Apply it to bare lips to experience an instant plumping and hydrating effect that lasts for hours. The glossy texture delivers serious sheen without being the slightest bit sticky. Just swipe it on and go. The oversized doe foot applicator is designed to mimic your fingertip for quick and easy application. And the MSRP on this is $15. So, like I said, I figured why not give it a try. Candy apple. I thought it would smell amazing. Smells like candy apple. Yeah, candy apple. I was kind of hoping it was like just regular apple. Candy apple, that's fine too. All right, what is this? Let's pull this out. Okay, so this is the third item that I selected. It's from Lovecraft Beauty, and it is a highlighter palette. Honestly, the reason I selected this is because Ipsy has already sent me the bronzer palette and the blush palette. So I was like, hey, you know what? Let's just do a full trifecta. Let's go ahead with the highlighter palette as well. Now, this one only has 2 in it. The blush and bronzer all have 3. And I think they survived my declutter. I'm pretty sure they just survived my declutter. So Aurora and Borealis. I like that. All right. Lovecraft Beauty highlighter palette in Aurora and Borealis. It says, why you'll love it. If disco ball level sparkle just isn't your thing, please allow us to introduce you to this non-glittery highlighter duo. Finely milled powder pigments blend into skin like butter for the perfect amount of subtle shimmer. Dust on the golden powder to give your skin a warm, sun-kissed glow, or the pink powder for a pearlescent lit from within effect. And the MSRP on this is $29. So, is that number 4? I think that's number 4. I think there's one more item in here, and it's the second item that Ipsy selected for me, and I'm not upset about it. Not upset about it. This is from Huda Beauty. It is a demi matte lipstick in the shade Game Changer. So I am not upset about this. A full-size lipstick from Huda Beauty. And I do like the demi matte formula. So, Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick in Game Changer. Why you'll love it. Proof that you don't need to sacrifice comfort for payoff when it comes to your lip color. This liquid lipstick from makeup mogul Huda Katan. The bright coral shade lasts on lips from coffee to cocktails. Trust us, we tested it. Without getting patchy or feathering. Just because this cream lipstick dries down matte doesn't mean it's drying. The water-rich formula offers up intense hydration so your lips never feel chapped or uncomfortable. It's infused with a hint of menthol to give your lips a temporary tingling effect, leaving them visibly plumper. MSRP on this is $20. So, that is it for my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I got the Huda Beauty lipstick, the In Beauty lip oil, the Lovecraft highlighter palette, the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and the Murad SPF 30. Overall, I'm really pleased with this box. I really, really am. And the bag's cute too. Bag's cute too. So overall, I really, really like this box, or this bag, I guess. It's the Ipsy bag this month. I'm very pleased with everything I got in it. And, you know, what can I say? I'm happy about it. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What did you select? I did see on Instagram. I've been kind of lacking on Instagram the last several weeks. I just haven't been getting on it. I don't know why. I just haven't been getting on it. So I do need to get on there. I need to send a couple of messages to some of you who sent me some messages, but I just haven't been on it. But I did see some people posting on Instagram the items that they selected. So I know that I have selected some of the same items as some of you all. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, if you got an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you have not yet. And now that you've watched the video, if you think you might want to come back, go ahead and hit subscribe. And again, comments are always appreciated. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.